Hello, VLP. To find a loan, this can be a very long way with a lot of justification. Also, having a saving account with a nice 9% interest, this is a nice opportunity for you, you think? So let's discover together AAVE. It's already 2.5 million users, 60 billion of total value locked on this concept, and we're gonna discover all these things together to know how to get access to this nice opportunity. If you don't want to have more information about DeFi, learn how to do that, generate your wallet, you can connect to our community. There is a nice education tool. There is also discussion and chat live on replay to find all the opportunity and the weekly. If you like this type of concept, don't forget to like this video, and there is a link in the description to join us, and there is a special deal. You will discover it at the end of the video to join us. So Aave, look at that. The bank on your saving is only 0.4%. They have an opportunity on their application with a 5% APR plus a booster, which brings us to 9%. But that's not only the only thing. If you put 120K today, in 20 years, you will have made 146K earning with Aave, which is pretty nice. Instead of doing nothing with your saving account normally in traditional finance. Also, they put in place an insurance of 1 million. And that's crazy. If you put funds on Aave, they protect your fund up to 1 million compared to some bank which protect you only to 250K, and sometimes you can lose your money. The withdrawal is available 24 hours on 24. And as I told you, there's already 2.5 million users. That's huge, and that's the biggest one which can compete with traditional banking. In top of that, there is people from the Fed which signed to Aave, like Linda Jenk, which is a pretty nice move. And they built some new feature with Aave V4 version, which rival liquidation when you put collateral and you make lending borrowing solution. And this has been validated since 1 year, so it's on the way to avoid to be only liquidate when it reach your liquidation point. You will get more point to connect to, and they will manage to avoid your liquidation for you. They will be building some partnership with some neobank, which is nice. So that means DeFi is merging now with the traditional banking, and this will make your loan on credit solution really faster and easier. We present in this video, and if you don't look at it, I suggest you look at it first. It's in the YouTube channel. It's the DeFi lending borrowing risk management video, and I explain how to do a lending and borrowing solution in short, and we're going to use that. So this is the Aave screen. You can supply USDC, which is a stablecoin, or USDT or Ethereum. But for the instance today, as it's a short, we're gonna supply USDC, and they will make me an income of 1.67% to put my USDC on the platform. I will borrow Ethereum, and the cost is 2.35%. This make a total cost of my loan of 0.6% yearly, and you will see it's not that a big deal compared what we can do as a short position gain, or also putting this Ethereum liquidity into liquidity pool. As I told you, you can look at the video to explain everything. We also have a video where we talk about passive income on the Bitcoin on Ethereum. You can see in the channel, and we identify an opportunity on Ethereum with a range of 1,800 on Ethereum. The price is at the top of the range, so that means the price can go down. And as we put some USDC, borrow Ethereum, and we borrow 10K of Ethereum, for instance, and as soon as we borrow it, we swap it to USDC again. When the price go down, you are full USDC. So that means the price to refund your loan will be 8,800. So that make a profit for you of $1,200 with this a nice short position only with Aave. We're gonna have a 4 last move. So we put USDC, we borrow Ethereum, we swap it immediately to Ethereum to have a short position. And then we're gonna use this fund to put them into a nice liquidity pool and make a nice 146% yields on a pool position. Look at that. On wrap ETH, which is Ethereum USDC, you have a nice APR of 146%. This is live on a range between 1,700 to K on Ethereum. And if you keep this range for 30 days, you will make 12% income. That means your 10K will become 11,212K, and you will make a profit of 1,200K only on yield. But the good news is in top of yield, as you have a short position, you will make also an additional gain with the short position. So in total, if the price decrease at 800K, your liquidity pool make almost 8% income. On the short will make around 7%, so that make a total of 14% gain in 30 days with this long and short position you can build. Obviously, if you want to learn more, you can join the community, and as I tell you, it's a special deal. You can click on the link in the description of this video, and we set the subscription at $100 to access to everything: the education, the replay, the live and discussion. And if you want to have more coaching on your journey in DeFi, you can also ask for a call, and we can discuss about it for the next 30 minutes. Take care, and I hope you like this video. Don't hesitate to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.